Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Mso.dll missing or not found error in Windows computer. So dynamic link libraries or DLL are crucial components of the Windows operating system. DLL files contain code, data, and resources that multiple programs can use simultaneously. These files can go missing due to various reasons such as accidental deletions, corrupt files, or malware infections. Then I'll show you on how to fix that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to re-register the file. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword reg sbr32, and then space, and then slash, and then u, and then space mso.dll. Alright, so just type this command keyword reg sbr32 space slash u space mso.dll. So this command used in the Windows to unregister the mso.dll file. And the next step, and then you need to press enter. Alright, okay, then click OK. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type again this command keyword reg sbr32, and then space mso.dll. So this command is a command line tool for registering and unregistering DLLs and ActiveX controls in the Windows registry. Alright, and then press enter, and then click OK. So after you do this two command, and then we need to close this cmd, and then we need to restart to click this power button, and then you need to restart this PC to fix this error. Okay, if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the sfc and the same command. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to select or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then you need to type and enter this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to type and enter, or just copy and paste this command keyword dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And then the restore operations completed successfully. And then after here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to close. And then here again at the power button, then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.